We are off to Nepal. I'm really excited. New country.
Welcome to our Nepal series, where we get to explore Kathmandu and the city outskirts of Nagakot before we head off on a 12-day trekking adventure on the Annapurna circuit with a group of our friends from Australia. In this video, see us go on a walking tour around the city and go in search of hiking gear to prepare for the trek. We're so excited to have you here on the journey with us.
Made it to Kathmandu.
We're in Nepal. Woohoo! We're in Nepal. Did you know? We're going to be eating momos for the next month. Look at those tiny little puffer jackets. Another art shop. Wow, the streets are so pretty. I love it.
Alright, it's our first morning in Kathmandu, and we're gonna go do a walking tour around town and check out a few of the temples and the sites. This is Asan Bazaar. Very, very busy local market.
There's so many people. Like you can't even see space. It's crazy.
Quite interesting, a lot of the temples here are a mix of Buddhist and Hindu.
Hello, I'm a tourist. That's what this says. We're on our walking tour at the moment and we're about to go into a temple. I'm not sure what the temple is called or which spot it is. Oh, this one? We're going in this one.
But first we're going through this market apparently.
This area here is Durbar Square.
A UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to over 50 temples and the Royal Palace.
And yeah, we're going to have a walkthrough.
The administration of the Maharaja, General Sir Chandra Shamshedi Jangbarangjang Devaru, Honorary Colonel for Gurkhas.
A symbolic area of Nepal's rich heritage and the shift from a 240-year-old monarchy to a democratic republic in just 2008.
Building here is the house of the Kumari, which is a living goddess. We're going inside the house of the Kumari, and she shows her face for about 10 or 15 seconds, and you're not allowed to take pictures inside.
We can film outside, we can't take a picture of her. I'm not sure where to go.
So we just came out of the house of the Kumari. She came out and showed her face for 15, 20 seconds maybe.
It's an ancient practice that has been going on since 1757. To go in there and to see the Kumari is like good luck.
She is the reincarnation of a goddess. She's about 9 years old at the moment and maybe has a couple years left until she hits puberty.
That's really interesting. I don't know. It's kind of sad. Her life.
Yeah. She's not allowed outside, not allowed to see her family, doesn't know her family because she hasn't seen them since she was 3.
The way that they get selected is based on their surname, so you have to be a part of a certain family.
It's based on 32 or 36 different attributes that you get selected by the priest. We'll put a picture of her up.
Yeah, we'll find a picture that we didn't take.
Apparently there's a few good documentaries on ex-Kumaris, because once you're finished being a Kumari, then you just go back to normal life, which apparently is really tough. Yeah, you just don't know what life's like up until you're 11 or 12.
He just went to a car, said 500, get in. Here we are in a car. On our way to the monkey temple.
I already informed you, before, that's why.
Yeah.
While you start, we are going Durbar, local market, Durbar and monkey temple.
This is the monkey temple. Big beautiful temple behind me. There's lots of prayer flags everywhere. There's also a lot of monkeys everywhere.
that is the walking tour done. We're going to jump in a taxi and head back to Tamil.
Up here at the Monkey Temple, there's a really beautiful view of the city.
It's a really beautiful city too.
So pretty.
We're spending the day buying stuff for our trek. This place has so many shops for all the gear you need. It's all the same stuff really, but it's all just about your bartering skills to find the best deal. We are on a mission today to find enough gear for the Annapurna circuit. We've been traveling in warm countries for the last few months, so yeah, we need to really buy a few warm clothes for the circuit. I think it's going to be pretty cold up there. Heard reports it's like -15, -20 up on the highest point we're going to, so yeah, we've been in shorts and t-shirts the whole time. Need to buy a few warm things.
Do I get these ones or do I get those ones?
Do we look speedy?
Actually look real quick.
About the same size.
We're getting the exact same pair of sunglasses now, so we're matching. That's actually better. Try one of those ones. They're a bit better for small heads.
What?
They're a bit better for small heads, which you have.
What are you trying to say? Makes my brain look bigger.
Alright, got you all set up. Give us the look. God, you look fast. We're going back to our hotel to drop our shop off because we've bought pretty much everything. Got some new sunnies, new bag, got some clothes, thermals, poles, socks, pretty much everything that we're going to need over the next 12 days going through Annapurna.
It's thunder and lightning outside. We just got back from shopping and it started to bucket down, power's out, but they got some emergency lights on. And Maddie is all geared up, looking speedy. You're speedy you are.
Hike. Alright, step 1 of hiking. Gotta get yourself some gloves. Step 2, you must have this. Also, sun and wind protection from the side. Get your poles. And we're good to go. Let's go. I'm pumped. Skin latte, please. Just imagine I've got the biking shoes. I feel fast in this outfit. We're going to go out in the rain now and we're going to go get some snacks, but time is of the essence, so we've got to go while it's raining. Let's go.
I don't know if it's peak hour or what, but it's pretty busy out on the road.
This shampoo is flavoured onion and jojoba. Onion flavoured shampoo. Onion? Am I saying it right? Onion? Onion and jojoba oil.
Yes.
I don't want my hair to smell like onion. It doesn't smell like onion. It smells nice.
Because I smell.
Snacks. Ooh, power's on.
Coming up in the next few videos, we explore Nagakot before we head off on our epic trekking adventure on the Annapurna circuit. We can't wait to see you there.
Postcards. Look, there's bricks. Look at those tiny little puffer jackets. Another art shop. Oh, look at those like headbandy things. The whole shop of beanies. Kathmandu burger. Did you know they do burgers in Kathmandu? Wow. So many scarves. Wow, Will, look at these things. They're so pretty.
I can't see.
They're like wall hanging things. Oh, wow.
You're going to spend all your money in the first
Look at these.
day.
Look at these. The artworks. Wow, the streets are so pretty. Wow, I love it. More singing bowls. Oh my god. Pashmina? They have pashmina. Wow, look at this thing. So cool. Oh, the scarves are so pretty. And the jewellery. Wow. Are we here? Oh, we might be here. We made it.